Okay, folks, example 3 says your friend buys a motorcycle for $4,293.39. The motorcycle's value decreases 22% each year. Make a graph of the motorcycle's value over the first 5 years. This is just like example 2, okay? It says, remember, since this is a real-life problem, we can have different units on the x and y axis. Okay. So, guys, we're not really doing anything different here. I'm going to move that graph over to the side for the moment. Okay, and our formula is, or our model is, y equals c times 1 minus r to the t. So in this case it's y equals 4,293.39 times 1 minus 0.22, because I have to change it to a decimal, right? So if I'm taking 22% off, then that means that 78% remains. So then I'm going to get y is equal to 4,293.39 times 0.78 to the t. Okay, so here's my t chart. All right, and we'll remember that that nifty little shortcut that we used. Remember, at 0, it's 4,293.39. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so let's see what we get. I need to get my trusty here. There we go. All right. So after that first year, it's 4,293.39 raised to the first, times 0.78, because that's just to the first power, right? So I'm going to get 3,348.84. All right, that's rounded. I'm going to leave the full thing in my calculator. Now I'm just going to do times 0.78 again. Right? I don't need to write that whole thing out every time. 2,612.10. 0.10. Okay. Boy, that motorcycle's not worth as much as it used to be, huh? Times 0.78. All right. So let's let this be. Now that's going to be 2,037.44, and then times 0.78 again. That's going to give me $1,589.20. And then the last one times 0.78, I'm going to get $12,039.58. All right. Now let's see what this looks like on the graph. I'm hoping this one's a little more distinctive than the last one, that we can kind of tell the difference here. And I'm also going to make this a little bit bigger because I can. Okay. Now, let's see. Does that help? Wait a minute. I need this to get a little smaller. Okay, let's leave it right here. Remember, guys, this is time. This is how much the motorcycle's worth. All right, I'm going to let this be 0, of course. This is going to be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and 5 years. Okay? And then, since this goes, I'm going to let this be 5,000. All right? Which means that this is 1,000. This is 2,000. This is 3,000. This is 4,000. Okay? Now graph in green. How about that? I like green. Okay? So 0 was $4,293. That's about right here. Okay? After 1 year, it was $3,300. So that's about right here, 3,348. After 2 years, it was 2,612. All right, 612 is going to be about right there. Okay. And then after 3 years, it was 2,037. So that's right on the line there. 4 years is 1,589. So that's going to be about right here. Okay. And then after 5 years, it was 1,239. All right, so that's going to be about right, I don't know, about right there. So guys, I'm hoping that you can see, I think this does show the bend a bit more, all right, in that exponential decay, all right? Okay, great job, guys. You got a good idea about how to graph these things, and I will see you at example 4.